So, you've booked your Max trip. Now it's time to get to know the Max Adventure app. It's got all the details you need for your self-guided adventure. We'll take you through all the key features so you'll be ready to hit the trail in no time. Sign in or register. If it's your first time using the app, create an account. Use the same email address as when you made your booking. View your trip. Your booking will appear in the app automatically once you've signed in. Tap on the Trips tab to see all your upcoming Max trips. Download trip. Once your booking is confirmed, download your trip. You can then access all your trip details and maps without the need for a data connection. Really handy in remote locations or to save on roaming charges abroad. Itinerary. Under your trip, you'll see a day-by-day itinerary, showing activities for the day, accommodation, and any luggage or people transfers booked. Tap on each element to get all the details, including any pickup times or contact details for our local suppliers. Swipe left here to view weather information, traveler details, info on getting to the start of your trip, and any special documents relating to your trip, like ferry tickets or train passes. It's a good idea to make sure you download these PDFs to your phone too. Trip info. The Trip info tab is where you'll find country details, contact numbers, and pointers on your chosen route, all curated by our expert team. Maps. Here you'll find all your downloaded maps. Your location is marked by the orange arrow. Navigating along the trail is simple. Just follow the blue line. Each map has an elevation profile, an overview of the trail, and any safety pointers too. Points of interest, satellite and flat map views, and the ability to toggle the map's bearing. Navigating on trip. Start your route by tapping the orange Start Route button. Then it's simply a case of following the blue line. Monitor your progress via the stats at the bottom of the screen. And if you take a wrong turn, the app will alert you to get you back to the correct trail in no time. You can also see your progress against the elevation profile to help you see when those big ascents and descents are coming your way. Find accommodation. Your daily trail usually starts and finishes in a central location, and from there, your accommodation will be a short walk, cycle, or transfer away. Look for the yellow pin on the map to see your booked accommodation. Just tap the Get Directions button for turn-by-turn hiking or biking instructions. Review your day. Wrap up your day by reviewing your track stats and let us know how you found the trail and to share your experience with other Max adventurers. If you see anything amiss on the trail, you can also let us know on the go too. Offline use and GPS. The Max Adventure app relies on GPS and doesn't need any phone or data connection to work once the maps are downloaded for offline use. Extended GPS usage can impact battery life. So if you're going to be hiking or biking for long periods of time, we recommend taking a power bank with you, just in case. Putting your phone into airplane mode saves on battery, plus helps avoid roaming charges when abroad too. Biking tips. If you've chosen a biking tour, we recommend packing a handlebar mount so you can easily refer to the app to navigate. For biking trails, it's also possible to keep your screen always on, so you can see your progress. Just tap the lock icon you'll see on the map. Contacting Max. You'll find contact details for all our local suppliers for your trip. This is often the quickest way to get any questions answered. But if you need help from us, you'll find details for our 24/7 helpline in the app too. Max Adventure app. This is active travel led by you.